Hey guys, today let's see how to install Playwright TypeScript. The installation for Playwright remains the same across various operating systems. Before proceeding, ensure that both Node.js and Visual Studio Code are on your system. Now step 1 is create a new directory or folder at your desired location. So I am using mkdir and folder name Playwright demo. You can see directory is created. Now next step is open the same in Visual Studio Code. Click on open folder, then your folder, open. You will see your folder on the left side. Now next step is click on terminal and new terminal. Now in your terminal type npm init playwright @latest. Here @latest will install the latest table release. You can also specify a specific version of the Playwright here. Now to check for the specific version, you can type Playwright releases, and here in releases you will find the specific version. Now press enter. Now it will ask language of your choice. By default TypeScript is selected, highlighted with blue color. Press enter. The default test folder is tests. You can use a different name here, otherwise press enter. Now it will ask to set up the GitHub Actions workflow to run test on CI. You can skip this for now by pressing enter and later set it up. Now it will ask to install the Playwright browser, which is default by true. Now press enter here. You can see at the bottom it is installing the Playwright test, and now downloading browser. Now once the installation is done, make sure you got the success message here. Now along with success message you will see few commands. These are quite useful command. npx playwright test to run end-to-end test and few more. Copy this command and save it somewhere. It will be really helpful while working on Playwright. Now you will see some default files on the left side. Earlier it was empty. Now we have so many files. So you can see package.json, config.ts, gitignore, test and test example. So to check the version, type npx playwright --version. So you can see version 1.37.0 is installed, which is the latest one here, and because we typed @latest in our terminal. Now let's run example test, which is inside our example.spec.ts. There are two tests, hash title and get started link. So type npx playwright test. So by default it's running 6 tests using 2 workers. So all 3 browser, Chromium, Firefox, WebKit, and our 2 tests in our example.spec.ts. Now by default it's in headless mode. You can make it headed. Now to check the report, you can see it's giving you a command npx playwright show report. If your test will fail, it will automatically open. You can see 2 tests on Chromium, 2 on Firefox and 2 on WebKit. So this means we have successfully installed our Playwright TypeScript. Thank you for watching this video.